Crypto Prophets. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's hop in straight into the charts. Alright guys, so I gave you all an update concerning the markets. For some days now, I've actually not been online because I've had some serious commitments, and I just decided to come up and give you all these updates about the current state of the markets. So guys, this is the Crypto Prophets. For those of you that are new, I promised to upload this video on the 10th of May, but due to certain activities, I couldn't meet up, so I just decided to upload it today. Alright guys, so we see here that Bitcoin began dropping from the 6th of May. Just exactly as I prophesied it would drop. Now go watch this video. Go and watch my last video. The Crypto Prophet altcoin season just began, plus May 4th to 6th. Look at it here. If you watch this video, you're going to see that I called these dates. I said watch out for the 6th. I see Bitcoin dropping from the 6th. Also go watch this video guys. The Crypto Prophet prophecy fulfilled on April 30th. I see May 6th. I saw these dates. May 6th. That Bitcoin would begin dropping. This was 10 days ago. And I prophesied about it. And you all can see a confirmation of that prophecy. Look at how May 6th came. Bitcoin attained the price of $65,513. And right now, Bitcoin is at $60,711. Bitcoin dropped yesterday to as low as $60,176, almost $59,000 from the 6th exactly. Look at how Bitcoin started dropping. Guys, this is why you need people like the Crypto Prophets. I am a prophet. The type of cryptocurrency that I do is quite different from what you see out there. If you're new to this channel and you're following me, go and watch my previous videos, especially this video. Look at it. The Crypto Prophets prophecy fulfilled. I would raise up 1,000 millionaires. I spoke about Bitcoin dropping on the 30th of April. I spoke about this. This was, go watch this video guys. I spoke about this on it was 1 month ago. I see these dates in the spirit. Bitcoin will pump. The oracle has spoken. I spoke about the 30th of April, guys. April 30th. I spoke about these dates. I prophesy. I give dates. I call dates. And it comes to pass. You know, I spoke about these dates that I see Bitcoin dropping. Look at it. 2 weeks ago. The Crypto Prophet, April 19th fulfilled. I see April 30th. I even prophesied about the month of June, guys. Look at it. April 30th came and the prophecy was fulfilled. This is why you need people like the Crypto Prophets. Look at it. Look at it. Prophecy fulfilled on April 30th. Go watch all these videos, guys. I've been prophesying. I even spoke about, look at, let me take you all back. Okay, look at it. This was 1 month ago. The Crypto Prophets, take note of the following dates. The oracle has spoken. Guys, if you know the track record of the Crypto Prophets very well, you will know that I have the ability to call dates. Now, like I say, and like I tell you all, I say this is a gift. What I do is a gift. It's not something that is taught in school. And it's not something I can teach anybody. That's the truth. This is a gift. Okay, it's a divine gift. And every good and perfect gift comes from above. It comes from God. So I acknowledge God in anything that I do. And it's not just in crypto. If you have a physical encounter with me one-on-one, if you have the opportunity to meet with the Crypto Prophet one-on-one, not online, if you meet with me one-on-one, you will know exactly what I'm talking about, because there is more to the Crypto Prophets than what you just see or hear online. So this is why if you have the opportunity to connect with me physically, you would understand what I'm saying. So there is more to this, guys. So the type of crypto that the Crypto Prophet does is not what you can find easily. So I spoke about the 6th of May. And as you can see, 6th of May came. Look at it here exactly. From the 6th of May, Bitcoin began dropping. And I told you all, I said, enter into a long position. Even if you see Bitcoin pump, it is an opportunity for you to take advantage and short Bitcoin. I even said it plainly in this video. I said Bitcoin, guys, go watch this video. I said Bitcoin is passing a message to the whole world, telling everybody, take your profits out of me. Take your profits out of me. Take your profits out of me. That is the message Bitcoin is passing. But how many persons are going to hear this? How many persons are going to understand this? I have the ability to commune with Bitcoin. I can talk with Bitcoin. You know, I tell people these things and they think I'm joking. Or they think I'm just... As a matter of fact, you can't even think I'm joking. Because how? Which YouTuber comes out to tell you on these dates, this is what Bitcoin wants to do? On these dates, this is what wants to happen. And you see that date coming to pass. And then I'm telling you that Bitcoin talks to me like a normal human being. Just like I'm talking to you now. I don't know for others, but I'm talking about myself. When I enter into the charts and I look, it's as though the charts commune with me the way you can commune with your neighbor. So sometimes Bitcoin will tell me this is what I want to do on these dates. I'm not happy. This is what I want to do. Sometimes it will tell me on this date I'm happy. This is what I want to do. And I will come out and tell you. And you may think it's a joke. You may think I'm joking. But at the end of the day, you would see what I've told you come to pass. And it will shock you. So if you're here, ensure you look for ways and connect with the Crypto Prophet. I have started becoming very scarce because a prophet is not meant to be seen anyhow. A real prophet is not meant to be seen anyhow. I do not just come out. I'm not going to be coming out these days to be saying certain things. But if I come out and I'm giving you an instruction, it's left for you to take it. If you follow it, fine. You make money. If you choose to ignore, that's your business. So guys, let's head on straight into the video of today. I am going to be talking about something very important. And I need you all to give me your attention. So let's head on into the charts. Have been of the opinion that Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000. I'm here to tell you that you need to be very careful because this chart here does not show that Bitcoin has the strength or the momentum to actually get to $100,000. I explained it very well in these charts. So go watch this video and you would understand exactly what I'm talking about. I'm the Crypto Prophet. I produced this video, this was 2 weeks ago, and this chart you see here is actually my invention. I explained it in details. I've also explained it in details in other videos of mine. I would advise you go watch these videos to understand exactly what I'm talking about. And guys, take a look at where we are right now. Now I need you all to take a look at this line, okay? I need you all to take a look at this line. This is a very important chart. I need you all to take a look at it. Now, if you take a look at this chart, you would observe that we have a blue line here. This blue line you see here moving up and down. And then we also have this green line. So my main focus would be on this green line here and this blue line. Ignore every other line you see here. Every other line you see here are all calculations. But I just want to speak about this blue line and this green line. So guys, I have observed that anytime Bitcoin comes down and touches this green line, we always have a significant pump. Okay, we had one here, we had one here, we had one here. So now guys, this line is coming down to touch this green line. So this is what I have to say. We still have some more downsides for Bitcoin. But I must tell you this, when Bitcoin touches this green line, this is when I am going to be instructing my premium members to enter more into Bitcoin. Okay? And this is also going to trigger the altcoin season. But now, I want to say this. If we break out of this line, If we break out of this green line, then that is really going to spell more trouble for the markets. This is what I have to say. So let's check it out and see, guys. Let's mark these points that this line had that this line had an encounter with this line. This was here, here, and here. Okay, so let's check the charts and see, guys. The charts do not lie. This is a Bitcoin charts. I want you guys to observe something. So guys, can you see that we had a very perfect entry here? We had a very perfect entry here as well. Okay, so when Bitcoin touched this line, we had an increase of roughly 110%. The same thing happened here. When Bitcoin touched this line, it was around here, we had an increase of 32%. Okay, and the last one, when it touched this line, we had an increase of roughly 170%. So guys, this is why you need people like the CryptoProphets, because when this line has an encounter with this green line, I would know. So that is going to be one of the best buying opportunities to invest into Bitcoin and to also invest into the altcoin markets. But what I'm saying is this line is going to come down and touch this green line. So I expect Bitcoin to drop more in the days to come. And I'm going to give you a very bold prediction. In fact, this is not a prediction, this is a prophecy. I would give you a bold prophecy. From the 12th of May 2024, Bitcoin is going to drop more. I told you guys that I'm not going to be calling dates from the 30th. I told you all, I said to let you know that I'm a real prophet, that I know exactly what I'm talking about. On the 6th of May, Bitcoin is going to drop. I said it. Go watch this video. Go watch this video, guys. Go and watch this video. Watch this video. I said it's very plain. I say for you to know, I'm not going to be calling dates again because I've been saying this, but I said for you to know that I am a true prophet, I am calling the 6th of May. And 6th of May came and you can see how Bitcoin dropped. So I don't need to prove to anybody that I'm real. The CryptoProphet is above that level of proving to anybody that he's real, because even you yourself, you know I'm real. If you're watching this video, you know I'm not fake. I'm not faking anything. Okay? So if you take a look at this chart I've shared with you, I've told you, I said when Bitcoin touches this green line, this is going to be a very good buying opportunity. So this is why you need to look for ways and connect with the CryptoProphet, because as many persons that are following me, I'm going to be giving them the instruction and they're going to make money. But now, if we have a break of this green line and we break and go below, guys, that is going to be trouble for Bitcoin. Okay, because so far so good, we have respected this line for the past approximately, we've respected this line for the past 448 days, and now we are about experiencing, if we take it to where we are, this is 658 days, guys. 658 days. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to still respect this line again, possibly have a pump towards the upside, and then at some point come break this line. And when it breaks this line, that's really going to be trouble. But now, if it does comes to this line and we do not get a significant pump, but we have a break below this line, then that's more trouble coming in for Bitcoin. But what I want to point you all to, and what I'm bringing to your notice and to your attention, is that this green line here plays a very important role in the cycle of Bitcoin for the time being. We've been in this cycle now for more than a year, and if we break this cycle, that shows more bearish momentum, but we are likely going to have a rebound. But now, whatever the case is, the CryptoProphet would know, and this is going to be a very good sniper entry, very good and accurate sniper entry to invest into Bitcoin. So this is why you need to connect with the Crypto Prophet. Look for ways and connect with me now. Don't be jumping here and there when the door is closed or when the opportunity to get across to me isn't there anymore, because I'm becoming more busy by the day. So this is the opportunity you have right now to get across to me. You have right now to connect with the Crypto Prophet for things to be easier for you in this journey. Because a time would come where you will need this so badly, but the opportunity wouldn't be there. Okay? So let's head on straight into another chart before we call it a day. I would be sharing this chart with you all so that you can understand what I'm about saying before I end this video. Before I summarize in this video, I want you guys to take a look at this chart, guys. The altcoin season has actually started. Like I told you all in my previous video, I told you all, I said the altcoin season has kick-started, but it is for a certain group of altcoins. Okay, the full altcoin season has started showing signs of kick-starting, but now there is a particular group of altcoins that have already entered into their altcoin season. Now I want you guys to take a look at these charts. Okay, take a look at this chart in front of you. Now I want you to take note of this white line, this green line, and then this orange line. So now guys, in the year 2019, when the charts touched this orange line, we had a pump, we had a surge in the altcoin markets. We had an increase of roughly 329%. Okay, so this gave us a very high increase, all the way from 4-point-something billion dollars. We increased to over $9 billion in the altcoin markets. So guys, the altcoin season has actually kickstarted for this set of coins. Okay, and right now we are touching this orange line. Okay, so we touched it here, had a pump, touched it here, had a pump, touched it here, had a pump, broke down, and this was in the year 2023. We broke down, good buying opportunity, then we pumped, and then we touched, had a pump. Now guys, we are coming back to retest this, and this is actually looking very bullish. So let me say this, guys, please hear me very well. Bitcoin is actually weak. There are some altcoins that would follow Bitcoin. There are altcoins that would definitely follow Bitcoin as Bitcoin drops more. Okay, but now there are actually some altcoins that are going to be resistant. There are some altcoins that would actually react, but they would be resistant. Listen to what I said. There are altcoins that would follow Bitcoin. There are altcoins that would be resistant. Okay, but they will still follow Bitcoin. While there are altcoins that will be completely resistant to Bitcoin. This is why you need experience. This is why you need people like the Crypto Prophet to fish out this kind of information. A lot of people mix everything up when it comes to the crypto space. They do not know how to differentiate. You know, everybody just thinks crypto is crypto. This is why you need to be experienced to actually make money out of this profession. And I'm telling you this because these charts I'm sharing with you, these are not charts that you're going to find easily. These are not things you would run into easily. There is a particular group of altcoins that would follow this chart here. And when I see them, I would know. So when they drop, it would be another good buying opportunity. Now let me import in the lines so you can see. Now guys, if you take a look at these charts, you would observe that from here, anytime the market plays with this line here that you see, we have a pump, place here, we have a pump, place here, we have a pump, played with this line, we had a pump, played with this line, we had a pump, and now guys, we are at the verge of still touching this same line. So this particular group of altcoins, for some of them, when I see them drop, I would know it is a very good buying opportunity. This is why you need people like the Crypto Prophet. Look for ways and connect with me. I would be showing you all 2 more charts so you can know the difference before I summarize this video. So let's go to the second chart. I shared the first chart with you all. I told you all that there is actually a particular group of altcoins that have gotten activated for their altcoin season, but there is also another group of altcoins that is yet to be activated, and they're going to get activated once this line, this red line, has been touched. Okay, can you see this red line? Once this red line has been touched, the altcoin season for these coins will get activated. Now this white line here is intercepting with this red line. This is a very strong area of support for these altcoins. Guys, this is why you need people like the CryptoProphet, because I fish out coins that you will not get out there easily with their patterns. And I tell you, this is how these coins are going to react. Just like now, the last video that I shared, this video, I spoke about a coin that keeps on making higher highs despite the movement of Bitcoin. Okay, so now there is a particular group of altcoins that is quite different from the chart I shared with you earlier. Okay, now this particular group of altcoins, they would get activated once this line has been touched. This is quite different from the first charts. Okay, so once this line has been touched, the altcoin markets for this particular group of altcoins will get activated. So I would be sharing those coins with my premium members. Guys, listen, crypto is in levels. Cryptocurrency trading is in categories. You don't just do things anyhow. And this is the challenge out there, because a lot of people, even the so-called professionals, they do not know the differences between all this. They just categorize everything and give it to people. Listen, I'm not talking about projects. I'm not talking about projects here, because a lot of people, they get confused with this. They will tell you, oh, this one is Solana project, or this one is ADAX project, this one is Base project, this one is this one is that. Listen, this particular area of crypto I'm introducing to you is way and far more better than projects, because this has nothing to do with projects. Rather, this has something to do strongly with structure. I'm talking about structure here. I'm not talking about projects. There are certain coins that are following this pattern. There are certain coins that are following the first pattern, and the chart does not need to look the same. You need experience to detect and fish out these things. So this is why you need people like the CryptoProphet. Look for ways and connect with me. Listen, if you take a look at this chart right now, okay, this white line is heading towards this red line, and this red line is a strong area of support for this group of altcoins. So when this candlestick drops with Bitcoin and touches here, this group of altcoins gets activated, just like the first one. So this is what I want you all to understand. So I'm going to be sharing all this information with my premium members. We're going to be investing into this season, into these altcoins, and definitely very good rewards are going to come out of here. Listen, not every coin is going to do well. You need guidance. You need experience. You need to be counseled. So this is why you need the CryptoProphets. So let's head on into the next charts before I summarize this video. Altcoins, they need to drop down to this green line. Now note what I've said. You see, this is why I'm the CryptoProphet. Okay, now this particular group of altcoins, they don't just need to touch this white line, but they need to come down and touch this green line. This green line here and this orange line, this would be the best buying opportunity. Now, why am I saying this, or what differentiates this group of altcoins from the other two charts I shared with you? Experience. I'm able to know this and detect this out of experience, because anytime these altcoins touch this particular green line and orange line, you see that they always pump and go up. Okay, so I would be waiting for this particular group of altcoins to drop down to this line, then I would begin keying into these altcoins. Listen guys, to make it in the crypto space is very easy, but all you need is patience, experience, and the good technical approach. This is what a lot of people lack, that makes them get their fingers burnt. If you're impatient, you will never make it in the crypto space. There is an altcoin season on the way, guys. Some altcoins have gotten activated. Some are going to follow Bitcoin. Some would follow Ethereum. Some would move at their own pace. You need experience to detect all these. Some would make new all-time highs. Some would make new lower lows. Some will make higher highs. Some would move sideways and consolidate. Some would react more faster than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin drops a bit, some would dump to the dump will be something else. Some would pump faster than even Bitcoin. All these things, you need to know them, and you can only know them if you're experienced. So this is why you need people like the crypto prophets. So before I end this video, I would show you guys one more thing before I call it a day. So let's head on straight into that chart for Bitcoin. Something very important to share with you all, and I would be summarizing this video. Now take a look at this chart in front of you. Okay, I want you guys to take note of these three lines. We have this green line, we have this orange line, and we have this white line. Now guys, anytime this white line crosses this orange line, there is a high possibility that Bitcoin always drops and touches this green line here. Okay, now we had the intersection. The intersection almost occurred at this area, but it was unsuccessful. Okay, but now guys, if you take a look at this particular area of the charts, okay, let's zoom this very well so you can see it. Now if you check, when this white line intersected with this orange line, Bitcoin dropped and touched this green line, and all these areas were very good buying opportunities. Okay, now same thing happened here. When this white line crossed this orange line, Bitcoin dropped and touched this green line. Okay, now the same thing almost happened here, but it was unsuccessful. Okay, let's go back to history, guys. The charts do not lie. Okay, these are facts from the charts, evidence facts from the charts. The charts do not lie. When we had this intersection, look at what happened. Bitcoin dropped and touched this green line here. We also have this here again. This is as far back in the year 2021. When we had this intersection, Bitcoin dropped and touched this green line here. So guys, let's not really go so far. I've showed you guys multiple examples even back to the year 2021. Okay, now if we have an intersection here, if this white line crosses this orange line, then there is a high possibility that Bitcoin will drop down to where this green line is, and this green line roughly is around $40,000, $48,000, $49,000, $47,000. So this is what I need you all to understand. But now I'm not saying there is a high possibility that we would drop here. I'm just bringing out the facts from the charts for you and nothing more, because I work with facts. I don't work with theory, and I've given you all my opinion based on what I see, because it looks like we're about having an intersection. You see, these are the kind of charts that nobody is going to share with you out there. This secret lies with the crypto prophets. This is why you need people like the crypto prophets. Look for ways and connect with me. So guys, I leave you all with these words. Take note, on the 12th of May, Bitcoin is going to drop more. This prophecy is coming from the crypto prophets. The crypto market is getting weaker. We are still going to observe and see. Let's see what it holds in store for us. So look for ways, join my inner circle, look for ways, get into the family of the crypto prophet, and get very accurate information that will change your financial situation via the crypto space. I remain the crypto prophet. God bless you. See you in my next video. Thank you.